Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you for all the love and support you've been giving to me. In my darkest time, you guys really lift me up so much. I know I have not been communicating privately, but I am reading everything that is sent. I promise you. I'm going to do a short update just to bring everybody to the point of today. He is off life support now, thank God. He's breathing oxygenated air, not room air. He's awake, he's talking, he's eating, but not very much. He's drinking, they're allowing him to do that. That is new. As of yesterday, he was not allowed to eat because he couldn't swallow. Today he can swallow, and so every day it's a tiny bit better. He was more awake today. He's still under a lot of medication that makes him groggy, and he doesn't remember much of what's gone on in the last couple of days. He remembers right before he coded and up until that point, and then after he just says he woke up in the room that he's in now, and he doesn't have much memory of anything. But he is going in the right direction now. I hate to be optimistic and I don't want to be pessimistic. He's still very critical, he's guarded, he's fragile. For what those nurses are going through in the hospital with the work situation, they are fantastic. I give them so much credit. There's a lot of young people on the floor. It's scary. I only have to walk about 3 rooms to get to his room from the elevator. And just in those 3 rooms, because the window is wide open, and I pass young people. One that looks like she's maybe in her teens. Another person that looks like he's maybe in his 30s. And they're all on ventilators. They've all got COVID. Please, please, please get your vaccine. This is not a political pandemic. You don't want to be on a ventilator. Do it for your family. Do it for yourself. I'm coloring in Mandalas by Colorit, and this is volume 4. This has got to be the nicest Mandala book I have ever seen, and I am deadly serious. They never, ever disappoint me, Colorit. And it's not one of their new books. When they found out that I was going through some problems, this is the distressor book. And I have never done a mandala before. Never. Not once. I always looked at it as something that, it had to be so boring, just going around in circles, you're not doing anything. This book was so much fun, and it really put me into a Zen-like state. It really works. And I feel like my blood pressure is 10 points lower. I feel like my head is much clearer. Even after doing this, I feel like I can sleep, which is something I haven't gotten much of in the last month, 6 weeks. I'm actually on like my 6th one, and I don't want to open the book yet because I'm going to do the next video. I'm going to show you everything in it, but I wanted to document my first one, and everybody does their first something. I wanted to keep my first mandala, and I want to be able to remember that good feeling that I was having while I was doing this. And the funny thing is you don't have to worry about your colors. Mix and match them. Keep going. Pick up a pencil. See if it works. It doesn't matter. It's a mandala. It's meant for you to just color for fun. Again, this is by Colorit, and it's colorit.com. You will find so many of their books. Not only did they send me that one, but they sent me an early edition of their new circus book. So I'll be doing a flip through of that in another video coming up. So I'm going to put on some music, and I'm going to let you see my first ever mandala.